That day I decided to drive to Takataki-ko to check out this place. It is called Takataki-ko Glamping Resort. When exploring Japan, parking usually is not a problem. On the right, it is a multifunctional hall for indoor activities. You can rent a bicycle to explore the park nearby. The toilet and shower facilities are on the left inside the main building. When I got there, it was dinner time. The air was filled with a barbecue smell. Everyone was in the tent preparing dinner. Each tent is equipped with an air conditioner unit. This will keep you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. There is a bond fireplace outside the main building where tenants can gather for a great evening.